Good day everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Polka Dot House. We will discuss today about built up Bateau neckline. I traced already front bodice. We will put a one straight line in the front, and this is our straight grain. This is center front. We will make a center front on fold, and this is side front. Now let's go to pattern plot and development. We will start with the front. First thing that you should do, this center front neckline, build it up by 3/4, and then get the middle measurement of the neckline. That middle, that point in the middle, connect it to the apex, right? So this point we will call point A. Then we will get the mid measurement of the shoulder, and then we will call this one point B, right? Now after getting this one, we need to slash so we can have a room in the neck, right? So from here, let's open, okay, for you to follow, okay, right? It is like this, right? Open this one by 1/2 inch. This should not be changing, so check the 1/2 inch there, right? So once you get the 1/2 inch, close this one. Let's put persa tape, close, right? And then let's put a piece of paper here. Right? It's very easy. Okay, so from point A, we need to connect this one in point C. So to create the point C, from this point B, let's have 1.5 inches high from point B, but you need to make sure from the shoulder we will have a point C, 3/4. Okay, so 3/4, and then bring this one 1.5. Let's double check. 1.5, 1.5, 3/4, there. This. So this is point C. We need to connect that point C to point B and point A to point C. Let's connect this, right? And then let's connect the neckline. Like that. Okay, and then let's build up, and then let's make this one so it's not too pointed. Let's make it like, yeah, so this is smooth, right? So this is the front neckline. For your own guideline, I keep that one, I will not cut it. Then I will show you the center back. We will put 2 straight grain line in the back. One. It's very good to use this ruler, you know. One. Okay, let us start in the back. In the back, from that back neck, we will go 1/2 inch higher. Okay, and then from there we will put an each allowance in the back, so there is a room for the closing. Okay, then let's make this one like that. Let's connect this one there, and let's put 2 notches. That means this is center back. Now the same thing in the front. You will get the half measurement of the shoulder, so it's there. The same thing, we will go high by 1.5 and then 3/4 from to get the point. So that's it. So connect that right and connect this one to your center back neckline. There, this is your back neckline, and again you need to blend this one so it's not too sharp. Okay, to check this, we will check this neck to the front if this is much. Let's measure this one. This is 3 5/8. This one should be same. There you go, perfect. It's 3 5/8. Okay, let's put the allowances all around. Okay, so after putting the allowances all around, this is the front and this is the back, and then this is our Bateau neckline. Now I need to give you an important point here. Before I slash this one, I put this in the original position of the apex, right? But we need to bring this down by at least 1.25, so it's not too pointed in the nipple. Okay, so it's this is our new dart. Okay, don't forget this one. Oh, sorry. There. I'm cutting this because if you keep this allowance, it's too thick. Maybe it will not give a nice shape when you stitch. Okay, so remember I told you that we are needing the middle of the shoulder measurement because we need that mark. Okay, and same thing in the back, we need that mark. This is the point B. We need that for the pacing, because the pacing from that point B, we will go an inch there, and then we will put a line here parallel to the neck. So that is 1 inch there. That is 2.5. Okay, so let's try 2.5, 2.5, 2.5, half, 2.5. So this is your, when you trace the pacing, this is your guideline. So this is your pacing up to there. So only what you do is trace exactly this one, because you have already an allowance here. Alright, and then here you just put allowance here in this side, and then that is the pacing. Same thing in the back, because we use there 2.5, then we will use also here 2.5. So we will extend that point B an inch, and then we will get this 2.5, 2.5, 2.5, and 2.5. And then Okay, so this is your facing. I do hope you learned something today about built-up Bateau neckline. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.